What's up, everybody? I'm in front of a house I'm about ready to purchase. I've got this from a wholesaler for $30,000. ARVs around 150. So we're walking it today. I've not been out in this area before. You might be asking yourself, why is this house elevated? And I can tell you it's because of insurance purposes. When you have insurance and you're in the properties like Mississippi, the insurance company assumes it's going to flood. You have to raise it a certain level so that your flood insurance is going to go down. So we're checking this property out. One cool thing is you can make this as your garage. This will be the second one of these types of homes that I'll be flipping. Kind of feels like somebody still lives here for some reason, but I know it's like impossible because of the condition of the house. This car doesn't look like it's been opened in forever and a day. We're gonna check it out, look at the whole property and see what kind of work we need to do here. God, it does feel like somebody's living here. Got a light on right here. I don't wanna like scare these people, but God, doesn't it seem like there's somebody living here? Just that light that's kind of messing with me. Let's just knock on the door just in case. I doubt it. It's just kind of weird with this blue light on and the Christmas ornaments. Although it is September, I mean, a wholesaler generally is not going to send you something like this. So it looks like we just got a bunch of stuff left behind. So we'll look at what we can until Brian gets here. He's got the key code. This is why I know that there's probably nobody living there, because this is the insides of the house. Like you can see a bookshelf falling through the middle right here. So it does require some foundation work, which probably means the roof is also rotten. So this is one's going to be kind of hard to see. I've never seen an AC unit like that before. No reason to cage it. What I would want to do with this house right now is obviously fix the foundation. I'd paint this house a totally different color. This is not a charming color at all. I could almost guarantee the roof is shot, or they had some sort of a weird flood here. You got the code for the lockbox? Oh, somebody left the code right on it for us. Nice. I was like, man, somebody living in here? I got a blue light.
Only one of you in the hallway at a time, because it'll go through.
This key worked for both of them? Well, how the hell are you gonna get it open then? Is there another way in? So what, the roof just leaked on one side and...
Yeah, it's just coming straight down that hole, and that's what you see underneath that rot. It's just rotted that whole thing down.
Yeah, because the house looks solid besides that. Let's go look at the bay while we're figuring this out. The other thing I like to do is see how big the lot is. So I go to Land Glide. It's gonna pull up the lot that I'm on. This looks like an easement of some sort. Yeah, that gives you a really good idea what the roof looks like. A lot of trees need to come off that. So that's just been Mother Nature, because you've got all these limbs that would attract all the water. The water's going to fall down, run directly through the floor. So the first thing versus doing the roof is get all these trees away. Why would somebody want to live here? You want to go fishing right here. You've got fishing, no neighbors, nice and quiet. Looks like they got some sort of a road back here. That's an easement that runs around this property. Decent neighbor over there. Brian's gonna get us in. We gotta get these trees out of here. That was a big tree. It's lucky it fell that way. Looks like we get a car with the deal. Nah, I'll tweak on this. It's got this thing locked.
We just climb to the top with the...
We could, yeah, that's a good idea. Denver, I'll hold the camera, hop on that HVAC unit and fall through the... Oh, somebody dropped some weight, dude. You're down like, what, 50, 60 pounds?
Something like that. Can you get in?
I'm gonna y'all shove me up through that hole in the floor.
Hey, I'm game for that. Yeah, that... I don't know what you're getting into.
Dude, that's like Jenga.
I just don't want to piss him off by busting that doorknob for him. Can you ask him if we can? If this thing's gonna fall down like this.
If you can get it to start and get some of that shit out of the way, I'll jump in there.
There you go. It became a ladder.
Damn it.
There you go. Here, I'll hold him this. Go ahead. Boom. Where there's a will, there's a way.
There's a hole, there's a way.
Don't fall, Brian.
Gotta drop this. Get out.
Go ahead. Trash out's done.
That's it, huh?
That'd be the first time we've ever gotten to a house through the floor.
Yeah, it would have been real up if she was sitting there with a gun. Why are you climbing through my floor? Powers are on.
So we only have that one spot.
We got a belly in it. You can feel it right there. Everything kind of dips.
It feels dry now.
Oh, you're far away from the leak.
Oh yeah, it's coming through here. The walls are good. You can come in here, Denver. Basically, the bottom of the bathroom dropped out. So you can see right there. Then you can see a little putty and paint.
Putty and paint, baby.
It's not bad.
No, just a floor and a roof, basically. And then we can keep everything the same way it is.
The only thing really to look at, Troy, is the bathroom situation.
So we got 1, 2, we got 3. The back of that was what, a Jack and Jill?
Yeah, so you could come through the master.
So I would just turn this into a bathroom, kind of like what we did at that other one.
You use this as a closet.
Yeah, I would do that exactly.
I'll give you about a 5-foot closet, 2 shields.
I would actually make your closet even smaller because we're coming in here. We got our bathroom over here. Oh, hell yeah. Actually, we could push this part back because it's pushing into there, but we could put the water heater outside, or we could do a tankless and just attach it to the house. Yeah, so I would say turn this into the same way we did that other one. Turn this into a master bathroom, and then this is just a shared one. Keep the floor plan existing. Everything else is same as it was. Kitchen, same as it is.
Do you think you need new cabinets and stuff in here? Or?
No, okay, great question. Do we need new cabinets in here? Maybe on this one, depends on how far we go. We do have a great cabinet place, so it might be a good use of it since we're ripping this whole thing out entirely. We might change these cabinets, but based on the fact that they're all set up nice, it's kind of a judgment call, budget call. First thing is getting this thing cleaned up.
This is your laundry room.
Yeah, but laundry, we could just get rid of. So we could put laundry in the kitchen. Yeah.
They have this space over here as a closet, so their bathroom could actually expand that way. You could put this shower over there and make this a whole lot of other things. Because this space right here, they already have a closet unless you want to keep the his and hers.
No, I think just, so this frames out, this becomes the bathroom on that side. Make this just a nice tub and area like that. Or put a tub on this side, but we're gonna have a tub. I would say this is probably better to do a tub in here.
The hallway access.
Yeah, hallway access, put the tub in here. Shove this all back over that way, or build a wall right here. Make that your mat.
Still keep that as a closet. If you put the door on that wall right there, keep that as the closet entrance and move this back a whole bunch more. And you can put a tub, a stand-up shower, and a toilet.
Well, what we're trying to do, Alex, is get to a 2-bath instead of making it a 1-bath.
Okay.
Because there's more sellability if your master is.
Yeah, so it's better just to keep that closet the way it is over there, frame this wall in, and then make all bathroom on that.
From there.
That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Put this into a tub, and then we just need to find a place to put the washer and dryer. Brian, this one, I hate to say it, but we might.
Yeah, you've got to say it.
What?
Paint.
No, I'm saying like based on the price you're getting from Sean, it might be a good call to rip them out.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Did you hear that, guys?
I do not want to replace them. Let me be very clear at that. But I'm saying if you guys get into a situation, obviously I want to paint them and save them. But
What wood is this? You probably know. Cedar or some kind of shit. I mean, it's solid wood. We won't get any better than this.
let's figure out where we can put our washer and dryer. You think out here?
It's covered. If you want to maximize your living space and don't want to put them downstairs,
Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Let's put it in here.
our selling point is the river.
I think doing laundry out here is actually a good thing because you're hanging out. I mean, who wants to do laundry in a small little area? But if you're doing laundry out here,
That way you're pulling your laundry, looking at the river.
this would not be a bad idea to get rid of that window, but obviously we can keep that too.
I mean, you're sitting in your living room, you still can look out over.
That's, yeah, you're right. So where are we putting the washer and dryer? On that wall?
Well, no, we gotta have an exit. Gotta have 2 exits.
So maybe shorten this window up, put a 48 by 48 in here, and then put the washer and dryer on this side. Listen, you still got all your space right here, or you move it over here. I would say close this off, put a new window here, put your washer and dryer right here. It's out of the way versus you're coming straight out, hitting it, put it over here.
Sort the table, fold the table.
Correct.
Paint it off.
Paint it the same colors we painted that other one. We had good,
Do a white and a
just the
black.
same way you did South 7th Street, same way we did that one.
You didn't like that color.
I didn't like it on that house in Alabama. We could do this one blue.
That'd be good.
Do blue, it'll hide all this. We do it the same way, like white and blue, like we did the other one. So the biggest thing is the roof, the floor, everything else is in good shape. I guess we gotta get a budget on both to paint it and to, I have painted paneling before, but usually in rentals. So I think we probably gotta do drywall. No, that's hollow, dude. All right, we know what we need to do here, so we just need a bid on this one. We'll be starting this one soon too. But my recommendation is getting that tree freaking off the roof first. Get this trees hauled out of here.
Nice though.
You like it? It's crazy that like we're saying it's nice and you gotta redo the floor and everything else, but it's got some good appeal for sure. So the question for you guys is, how much is it gonna cost me to fix it? What are we gonna sell it for? And would you buy a house like this? Do you understand the appeal here? Why would somebody wanna be there? I kind of get nervous when I buy stuff like this because I'm like, who's gonna buy it? Because I don't wanna buy it, but there's definitely an appeal here. I think the biggest thing is getting these trees out of here and painting this thing up. What did you weigh when you freaking started, dude? When I first
When I met you a year ago, probably like 280, close to 300.
Now you're what, 210, 215?
215.
210, 215?
Yeah.
That feels good, huh?
It's,
What's your goal?
Nothing. Just whatever, you know, whatever.
Like looking like this guy?
Yeah. Actually, I caught COVID. I was down for 14 days.
COVID, I got down to 187, dude.
I couldn't eat anything, keep up, not even water. I would throw it right back out, and it just, you know, that's what made me lose a whole lot of weight.
It helped. Yeah, COVID, after I got off COVID, I ate pizza for 2 weeks.
I gained weight in COVID. Yeah, the tree's new. That thing was standing when we...
Oh, this is new? Sounds like a negotiation point. When something happens and you're in contract on a property and it wasn't there when you negotiated in it, you're gonna go hit them with, hey, we didn't know this was gonna fall down, which we didn't. So that's gonna cost us more money. All right, let's go look at the next one.